Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to apologize first of all for being scarce. I apologize for being scarce, but I hope you are well and you are making money. The reason that I've been scarce is a lot of things have been happening, business investment wise. I think I previously mentioned in a previous video that the reason that I got into forex trading was so that I can generate enough money and capital to invest elsewhere. So I've been busy with some of those things, and yeah, hopefully they will come out fine, and hopefully I'll be able to share some of those ventures with you. Don't just blow money on cars, on booze, on stuff like that. That's the lesson that I have. Don't just waste your money, your effort in forex trading on booze and things that lose value. You need to invest in other things. For example, think property. Just an example. Think property, or if you don't like property, maybe think about collectible items and things like that. Things that will, after even 10 years, they will have generated so much value that you will be able to still be making money elsewhere. In case you decide to leave forex trading, or in case you have a bad month, and you blow your $100,000 account, you don't have to die. You can always count on rental income or something like that. It also removes that pressure of just trying to always be in the market, always trying to make money in the market, because you have other income coming from somewhere. So definitely you are more calculated with your trades, and it limits the amount of losing trades that you will take. Okay, so I'll be sharing some of those things as we progress. So yeah, by the way, give this video a thumbs up, just like this video, and I'm hoping to give you so much value. Whilst I was away, I also took time to think about this channel, so I've decided to just focus on giving you guys value, just value. So please like the video. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about the perfect forex strategy. We were just discussing with some of my guys, and we realized that every person has their own definition of the perfect forex trading strategy. And for me, it's actually not a surprise. It's not a surprise for me, because people are different, which is the purpose of this video. How do you find the perfect trading strategy for you? You have seen a situation where you have a forex trading strategy and everyone else seems to be making money with that strategy except you. Everyone else is using that same strategy to make money except you, and you're thinking, what's the problem? Where are you going wrong? It's sometimes because you and the strategy are not a fit, you are not a match. So you need to find the perfect strategy for you as an individual, not the other 5,000 or 4,000 or 10,000 people in the mentorship program, but you need to find a strategy that suits you. So how do you find the perfect strategy for you? The perfect strategy for you should be a strategy that fits your lifestyle. It has to fit your lifestyle. Are you a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad? Are you a business person? Are you a floor manager? Are you a pilot? Or are you an athlete? Are you a student? Are you a businessman? What's your lifestyle? That's where you need to start your search. For example, say you are a person who is running a business, or you are employed at a business where constantly you have to be on the floor. You don't have time to be sitting in front of a screen. Certainly, scalping is not the strategy for you. Day trading is not a strategy for you. You get the point. You might find in your group or with your mentor, people are making money with their scalping, but you cannot make money in scalping because you are not on the charts. So you need to find a strategy that suits your style, your lifestyle. Then the strategy needs to work around your work schedule. Why do I mention work schedule and forex trading, whereas people usually tend to not mention work when they come to forex trading? Because of course people are making a lot of money in forex trading, so why should you work? Let's face it, there are people who love their jobs. They cannot live without their jobs. It doesn't mean that because you are trading forex now you need to go and resign, or if you don't like the job, that's fine. But there are people I find who love their jobs. They cannot leave their jobs for anything. So they also still trade forex because they just want extra income on the side. But they are really passionate about their jobs, and they will not quit their jobs for anything. For people like that, again, you need to find a strategy that can suit your work schedule. Are you an artist? Are you a musician? Are you a painter? Are you a neurosurgeon? Are you an astronaut? Are you a lawyer? You love your job so much. Maybe sometimes it's just not paying all the bills, but you love your job. So that's why you are in forex trading. So you need to find a strategy that works around your job. Then certainly you need to find a strategy that suits your personality. There are so many personalities in forex trading because people are different. You know, there are people who sometimes people say they gamble, people who are aggressive in the markets. As soon as they see some indication of a reversal here, for example, they go in with standard lots here, they go in hard. That's their personality, and you find that even in life, that's who they are. It's not just in forex trading, even in life, with their life, that's who they are. They are aggressive with their life. Then there are people who are more measured, who are more calculated, who are more maybe laid back a bit, but who want to think about things first. They think things over before they get in. You find that some of those people will probably wait until they have some confirmation and only get in somewhere around here, and whatever happens. And when they get in here, they have calculated all their lot sizing, their risk, and their take profit. You get what I mean? So what is your personality? Are you an aggressive trader? Are you a laid back trader? Your life would tell you whether you are an aggressive trader or you are a laid back trader. So the strategy also that you need to choose is one that suits your personality. For an aggressive person, certainly the swing trading is not going to be working for them, because they want to get in here hard, and probably they are looking to get out somewhere here or maybe around here. They're out, they're done. Whereas a laid back person wants to first see confirmation, and they are willing to hold all the way, and as long as they have confirmation that we are still going up. That's an example. So your personality, Are you aggressive in the markets? There are some people who do not like the thing of holding their trades overnight or over the weekend. They want to open their trades on the day and close them on the day. So your personality, it determines the strategy that you have. That's why some people will be making money with the same strategy and some people will be losing money with the same strategy. Then obviously emotional intelligence. It's important that you find a strategy that suits your emotional intelligence. If you lose money today, how are you going to react? Are you going to revenge the markets? Are you going to walk away? And or your emotional intelligence. So you need to find a strategy that's also in line with your emotional intelligence. Let's face it, every strategy will take a loss at some point. Forget about the social media, forget about what the mentors will tell you because they want you to sign up for their mentorship programs or their classes and signals and things like that. But trust me, even the hedge funds, even the the institutional traders, the banks, those traders, they also take losses, but it's what they do after they take those losses that separates them from them and us. So you need to be a person with emotional intelligence in order to survive in this game. If you have comments, I'd like to hear them. If you have thoughts, I'd like to hear them. If you have topics, questions that you want me to answer in the coming videos, please write them down in the comment section below. I'll go through them and I'll certainly try to make videos answering those questions. Like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, bye.